In government work, we're often asked to have the contractor bond the project. And this is a performance bond. And it's basically an insurance policy that says that if the contractor can't finish the project, that you have an insurance policy that will let you hire another contractor to finish it, which seems like a good idea. And if you were to go to Hollywood, every movie is bonded, okay? And it's a requirement. It's a function of how much exposure the Hollywood people have, and or also how much exposure you have as an individual. So for government work, it's often required that the contractor is bonded because they want to be able to cover their butt. They need to be able to anticipate what could be the worst situation. Well, in the private world, it's probably not that important. Or more accurately, it's probably not worth the value, okay? A performance bond is going to cost you about 2 to 3% of the construction cost. So it's not a small amount. But the trick is, they're not worth hoot. Because if you've gotten yourself into such a jam that you have to fire your contractor, or if your contractor goes bankrupt, or whatever it may be, the calamity that you're facing is so gigantic that no performance bond is going to save you. You can't get yourself out of that position. You are in deep water. So the value isn't in there. But there is value in asking, can your contractor be bonded? So, because that becomes a test. And so you, in the bidding process, you can say, provide documentation that you can be bonded for this particular project. And bonding does change based on the size of the facility. So as an example, a contractor can be bonded for a $500,000 project, or $1 million, or $5 million, or $10 million. And it's an indication that they have done that size of project before successfully. So it's a testament to their credibility and their performance. So it makes a lot of sense on particularly larger projects to ask that your contractors be bonded, but then not to actually follow through on it. So you've tested them, but you're not actually purchasing it. So there you're getting the actual value. You actually have determined, are they legit, are they credible, but you don't actually have to pay for the bond itself.